Hi, today I'm going to show you how to block payments on Lloyds app. So, to block payments on Lloyds app, simply log into the application, then navigate to the home page. Here, you're going to see different payments appearing. You have to click on the three-dot menu right next to your account or your bank account that you have and you want to block your payments from. Simply click on the three-dot icon and it's going to show you this page. And you will also see these options. From here, you can simply click on this direct debit option if you want to cancel your direct debit. Or you can also click on this three-dot menu again. And from the option, you have to select minus subscription. So you have to select any of these options, direct debit or minus subscription. And once you select it, it will show you the list of payments you have as the current subscription. Now, to cancel any payment, just select it. So tap on it and then you'll have to click on the delete or remove button. Once you do that, it's going to show you this pop-up window. So just simply click this delete button. And that's it. Your payment will be blocked in your Lloyds Bank app. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.